sun is rising, here we are. I didn't think we'd come this far. I just feel it.
What's going on, guys? So what you just saw was last week when we did the Wrangler grill install. I took a couple clips of the halogen headlights, and I didn't really like the way they looked. I never really liked the look of the yellowish hint, and whenever I look out into the road, you know, they don't reach very far. Luckily, the great guys over at YitaMotor sent us over some great new products. And so what I got here are 7-inch replacement headlights. So let's go ahead and unbox these. So as you can tell, these are LED, and these should be just a direct replacement. And what you notice right off the bat is it's got its brand new 8D lens, so it's going to be concurved. It's got a projector, and it's also got an LED halo ring, which I assume is going to be for the turn signal. So you're going to have your high beam, your low beam, and your daytime running lights. Also included with your headlight, you're going to get an H4 to H13 adapter, and a couple other wires, which I guess we'll figure out what we're going to do with when we start to install. Alright, so just as I'm looking at these right off the bat, it looks like this is going to power the high beam and low beam, which we're going to use to plug into one of our adapters. This looks like to be an anti-flicker, error-free ballast. So I'm not sure if we're going to have to use these, but we'll try it out without it first, and then if we do need it, we'll plug it in. Looks like it's simply plug and play. We're going to add this to that, and then this is going to plug into the OEM harness. This, on the other hand, looks like it's going to be for the turn signal. So I'm not sure if I'm going to have to add another connector to this and their OEM turn signal, but we'll take a look. But it looks to be like male to female, and then this connects to the turn signal. So let's talk a little bit about the technical specs on this. It's weighing in at 3.4 pounds. It's 7 inches in diameter. It's DOT approved, which means it's good to go on the road. The high beam is rated at 3600 lumens, and the low beam is rated at 2600 lumens. So if you do the math, the high beam should be 7200 lumens combined on high beam, and the low beam should be 5200 lumens combined. The temperature color is 6000K, so it's going to be a bright white. It's rated at 50,000 hours of work time, so it should last you just as long as the light bars do. But enough about that, let's go to the Wrangler and install this thing. Alright, so it's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I had a little trouble getting out the bulb. What you gotta do is push this piece back, and that will release the bulb and you can slide it forward.
The sun is rising, here we are. I didn't think we'd come this far. I just feel it. Well, this is truly where I belong. Making my way down Ocean Drive. Hungover people pass me by. I know they feel it. Yeah, they feel the way that I do right now. Lost in Miami and we were too drunk, but it was only you and I. Only you and I. Can we go back to the times we were reckless and free? Just you and me. So take me back to South Beach. We were young and stupid, and that was all that we had. Take me back to then. Under the palm tree, it was only you and me. Getting drunk on Hennessy. Take me back to then. To those hot nights.
Alright, so I didn't get to show it in the last one, but when you take off your headlight, in order to mount your new one, you need to take off this little brim, and it literally just pops off of your old one. So you're going to use this to hold your new light in place.
Broken bottles on the floor. We were still drunk from the night before. We didn't care if there's no tomorrow. Under the Florida sunset we dance.
Alright, so there you have it, the YitaMotor headlights installed. I did not get to hook up the turn signals just because it's so cold out and I can't feel my hands. So we're gonna have to mess with those later. But the LEDs do work and they're super bright. I'll end this video with a couple of clips going up and down the street to just see how bright they are. They're definitely a lot cleaner than the halogens. Thank you again to YitaMotor for sending those out to us. Definitely appreciate it. If you guys had any questions with the install, I didn't get to talk much just because it's so cold out and I was just trying to get it done. So yeah, leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer any questions you guys have. I did not get to use the flicker, anti-flicker unit just because they didn't flicker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was educational and I hope you guys were able to follow along. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya!
Come this far, I just feel it. This is truly where I belong. Making my way down Ocean Drive, hungover people pass me by. I know they feel it, yeah, they feel the way that I do right now. Lost in Miami and we were too drunk